friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about all except DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. This is all except DAX function syntax. All except and table name and next column name. Okay. This is all except DAX function syntax. Okay. Let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. I'm already imported some data. Next go to report and first I'm clicking new measure. My measure name is sum of sales. Okay, is equal sum of sum of sales. Close this parenthesis. See this here, it's automatically created one measure. Measure name is sum of sales, and next click new measure. This measure name is all except. Okay, is equal calculate and add expression. Okay, comma, next all except. See this here log accept returns all the rows in a table except for those rows that are affected by the specified column filters. Okay, see this here. Now I am adding table name, comma, table name and particular column name. My column name is dates. Okay, now I am closing this parenthesis. Okay, let's check this DAX function. Now I am selecting curd, new curd, and next select Alex accept. Okay, this is all except DAX function in Power BI Desktop.